This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Positioning components. You can now position the components in suitable locations on the board. To move a component either, click, hold, drag to move the component to the required location, rotate it with the spacebar, then release the mouse button to place it. Or run the edit, click move, click component, command, then single click to pick up a component, move it to the required location, rotate it if required, then click once to place it. When you are finished, right click to drop out of the move component command.